Ready to make your Zillow listings pop and attract more buyers with immersive virtual tour. First, logged into your Zillow account, make sure you're using the account associated with your agent profile or brokerage that manages your listings. This is crucial for the integration to work correctly. Once logged in, navigate to your listings dashboard, find the property you want to enhance with a Matterport tour and click on it to open its details page. If you don't have any listings yet, you will need to add one first. Scroll down to the media section of the listing editor. This is where you'll add photos, videos, and, of course, your Matterport tour. Look for a section specifically labeled 3D tour or virtual tour. It might also be under add media options. Now, head over to your Matterport account and locate the space you want to embed in your Zillow listing. Open the space and find the share option. Usually, it's a button labeled share or embed. Within the share options, you'll find a link specifically designed for embedding. Copy this link to your clipboard. Make sure it's the direct link, not a generic share link. Return to your Zillow listing and paste the Matterport link into the designated field in the media section. Zillow's system should automatically recognize it as a valid Matterport tour. Preview your listing to ensure the Matterport tour is displaying correctly. Click on the tour to test its functionality and make sure it loads smoothly. This is your chance to make sure it works before it goes live. Finally, save your changes. Zillow will update your listing with the embedded Matterport tour. Now potential buyers can explore the property from the comfort of their own homes, and that is how you upload Matterports to Zillow. Thanks for watching.